Just trying out these toasty bag things you get for the pound shop. Yeah. And then you put that in the bag and then put it in the toaster. Shove it in there. And we'll see what happens. See what it's like. It's toasted alright, but see if it's... Could do about being a bit more melted. I might put it back in. Just put it back in for a wee 30 seconds and that seems to have melted the cheese. So that's alright, that's a proper toasty. So give it a wee taste test. It's alright. My toasty, a few minutes. It's alright, it's a lot less hassle than one of the sandwich maker things that you've got to clean. Flung out the packet that it came in, but they're reusable, you can just wash them out and use them up to I think about 20 times or something. So that's quite, runs that out, give it a wash, it'll be alright, good as new. Ready for another toasty. So that's the toasty bags for the pound shop, a great invention.